let me just say, I'm low-key too chill to make a video, but I just feel like I'm so toasted. I'm so toasted. Let's see. Alright, let's start this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's your girl Alicia Amor. In the cut, you know how we do, how we get down, how we flip it, how we script it, how we go to work. Welcome to Amor's world. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, just so you never miss another video from your girl, especially if you not enjoy the content. Make sure you guys hit that like button if you're loving this video as you watch, and make sure to also go ahead and check out my other videos on my channel. Now today I'm gonna be doing a spicy question Q&A. And as you guys can already tell, I'm sitting on something and my eyes are sitting low. So that's supposed to tell you know what's popping at this moment. But we're going to take it easy. And we're going to try to answer some of the questions that you guys asked. These are questions that were asked from WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, and also YouTube. So let's get into the video, because it's been a while since I've done a Q&A for you guys, and I felt like this would be the perfect moment, especially because I'm feeling nice and everything. By the way guys, it's Monday. I don't know why I'm feeling so good on a Monday. I'm feeling like it's Friday, which is payday, but there's no pay. But anyway, life is short, so live each day as if it's your last. Anyways, let's go into the questions. Some of these questions were spicy, and some of them were just persons trying to get to know me. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you do so, okay? Now let's get into the first question. So the first question, the person asked me, why you're so sexy? I do not know. By the way guys, when I don't wash my nails, they're unfinished from like a week and a half now. I don't know I'm gonna get the time to really go back and make my nails like finish it. So I've been walking around with unfinished nails. But your girl got no shame in her game, you know, because life is life and it happens. When things happen, what we are going to do? At the end of the night, I did. So anyway, the person asked, why you're so sexy, for my first question. I don't really know. You know, I get compliments on my body and my figure every single day. And I appreciate the compliments. But if you guys think I'm sexy, that's cool, because I mean, I don't think my body is that bad, but I mean, I have flaws too, like everybody else. So that don't mean that I don't think I'm sexy. I for sure believe that, you know, I'm sexy, or something is going on with the body. But of course, like every other female, like, why did that? Like, seriously? Where'd that come from? Anyways, yes, so but of course, like every other female, I have my imperfections, yeah. Which lead me into my next question. What are your insecurities? No, I don't know why the person would ask this question, ask this, because I don't feel like no woman is like ever comfortable like admitting what the things are that makes them feel insecure about themselves. um, I'm not gonna sit here though and pretend as if I don't have any insecurities. Of course, I have things about my body, to be honest with you, that I wish was different, but it's not. And so, but the thing about me is I don't sit and dwell on it, and I don't feel like I'm less of a person because things on my body are not the way I would want it to be. No, I'm not really stressed about anything. I try to make the best out of every situation. That is just naturally the type of person that I am. So for me, say my eye them shape like a leaf, and then I'm gonna sit and cry about it every day. That is not me. I'm gonna just try to see the beauty in other things, or try to see the beauty on in my flaws, you know what I mean, and just try to love myself nonetheless. So yes, I do have things that make me feel like, I don't even know if I want to use the word insecure. I'm like really careful with how I choose the words that I use. But I really wouldn't say they're insecurities. I just say they're things that I would have preferred if they were a different way, but they're not, and so I'm still grateful for whatever God blessed me with. You know what I mean? But insecure doesn't make me feel some type of way, or make me feel like I don't want to be me, or make me feel less of a person. No, no. Mm-mm. The next question is, what is your musical journey like? What is your musical journey like? Oh my God. Let me take a sip just to answer that question here. So to be honest with you, my musical journey, it has really been, it has been, um, my musical journey has not been the easiest one, I'm not gonna lie. However, I do have great moments that I'm very happy that I was able to, have as memories. And it's also been one with lots of disappointments, I'm not gonna lie. Lots of unfulfilled promises. Them always say a promise is a comfort to a fool, but I don't know. I mean, I've always been like an independent artist. I've always been the person responsible for my like career and doing everything for myself. I've always been basically like an independent artist. So the journey for me has not been the easiest, but God has blessed me with some good people now that's in the industry that's helping me to propel this career a little bit further. Thank God for Jesus, you know what I mean? Because it hasn't been the easiest. And of course, I don't know, it hasn't been the easiest journey at all. Like, I'm filled with so many stories. Like, if I was supposed to share all these stories on like my YouTube channel, it would probably like turn off a lot of people from trying to get into this industry. But I wouldn't do that, because I know that everybody, every dog out there, I also know that puss and dogs don't have the same luck. And to be quite honest, it's not like it's really really bad. I'm not gonna sit here and think and say like my musical journey has been like the worst, but I think mostly for me it has been filled with a lot of disappointments, but as I said, there's also good things that came along on this musical journey, of which I'm very very grateful for. I've met and networked with a lot of people in the industry, and I don't know, it's just ups and downs and filled with disappointments and a few good days. So yeah, that's what my musical journey has been like. Some of these questions were basically based on my musical journey for some strange reason, I guess, because these days I've been talking a lot more about my music. So a next person asked me, who are some of my musical inspirations? um Nobody specific. I'm inspired by, I mean, when I was growing up, I used to listen to a lot of Whitney Houston, Mariah Carey's, and Tony Braxton's, Monica's, and Brandy's, NSYNC's, and Backstreet Boys. You know what I mean? I have different people that I listen to in music. Like, I'm not really grounded to any one song or any one genre. I am a lover of music by heart, so I listen to every single genre. I can enjoy country music, I can enjoy jazz, I can enjoy hip hop, I can enjoy R&B, I can enjoy retro, I can enjoy carnival music, and I don't know, I enjoy gospel music. And I definitely say some of my biggest inspirations come from like the old days. Like with R&B, it would be like the Mariah Carey's and the Whitney Houston's, and like Jagged Edge, them kind of people there. Yeah, basically Tupac. you know, Biggie, you know what I mean, Mary J. Blige, Beyonce, those kind of, you know, them, Jennifer Hudson. These people like inspire me with music. Their voices are the things that like I adore. I love a good singer. I love somebody with great vocals. So growing up, I used to listen to anybody who can sing and do the slurs them and all of them something there. Yeah, and when it comes down to like dancehall music now, you know, of course, my musical inspirations are people like Patra, people like Lady Star, people like Tanya Stevens, you know what I mean? Those people like Nadine Sutherland, yeah, those persons, yeah, from back in the days. I really and truly love old school music. I don't know, I'm in love with old school music, and even though the times may change and the sounds may change, and I may give you guys like new hip trendy sounds as well, most of the music that I listen to are not even current music, to be honest. It's music from like back in the days, the General Degrees, the Baby Shams, the Buju Bantons, the old school Beanie Man, the old school Bounty Killer. Look into my eyes, tell me what you see. Can you feel my pain? Am I your enemy? You've been talking about you want to work. Yeah, them kind of people, the Beanie Man. Beanie Man are the girls, them sugar. The girls, them world class lover, yeah. The girls, them, yeah, them type of people, baby shaman, yeah, them type of people, generally agree, them type of people. And what's his name? Um, there used to be this, oh, I don't remember him, but yeah, them type of people they influence me. The next question, what are you drinking? Almost done. Honestly, I'm drinking a mixture of mixed fruit punch tang with black label, and also what else did I put in it? A touch of white rum, so it's strong. Even though you see right, so it's a go with itself. It make me feel buzzy. Yeah. All right. The next question somebody asked is, any new singles coming soon? Yes, guys, I do have quite a few singles and also an EP coming for you guys. I'm gonna put out some singles first, and then you guys will be getting the EP shortly after that. But the singles them will have, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna toot my own horn. I'm coming with a different sound, different flavor, different vibe. Me, I'm gonna I'm gonna be giving you guys the real Alicia Amor, you know what I mean? Like real good music coming to your ears real soon. Just keep watching. Make sure that you go and subscribe to my Vivo channel as well, Alicia Amor Vivo. So when the new singles them drop, y'all are gonna be the first to hear what the girl is coming with, nothing normal. And I just hope that when I drop these songs, you guys go ahead and support your girl by sharing with everybody, your friend, your mama, your sister, your auntie, your uncle, your daddy, your nephew, your niece, because y'all have been asking me almost every single day in my DMs when am I going to drop a new single. So you guys can look out for that very soon. The next question somebody asked me was, why did I choose the name Alicia Amor? Well, honestly, I feel like that name is a part of me. First of all, my first name is Alicia, so that is my actual name. And then Amor, I think that just derived from, I mean, I analyzed myself, like, and I felt like I'm just a lover, I'm a caring person, you know, I'm a giver, I'm somebody that's always looking out for people, and and my favorite language is Spanish, you know, and I can kind of speak Spanish. I'm not really fluent, but you know, I can do my thing, and also I can understand persons that speak in Spanish, and I'm just a lover. I may look like really hard and unapproachable on the outside, but there's a reason for that, because I'm like a lover girl. I'm like a caramel at heart. You know, I'm a sweetheart. So therefore, I have to always like put up my walls, you know, guard my little precious value of a heart. You know what I mean? So amor really means love in Spanish. So I just felt like, you know, Alicia, amor, Alicia, love, that's me. So yeah. And nobody really gave me the name. I kind of just came up with it by myself. Yeah, and I also love the color red. So everything about it just suits me, Alicia. And when I decided like what was I really gonna call myself, like I didn't want to do something that made me feel like I was somebody else. I really wanted to use a part of my name. So I stuck with Alicia and then I just add Amor to it. So yeah, Alicia Amor. Um Somebody asked a spicy question. What's my greatest unfulfilled fantasy? Um, I don't know because like I'm such a, you know, like I feel like anything that I want to do, I just do. So like, what is my greatest unfulfilled fantasy? I think I do have one. However, it's probably not going to be like as spicy as probably most of y'all would expect my response to be, but I think that one of my greatest unfulfilled fantasies is having sex on the beach somewhere in Bora Bora. Because the truth is, it's kind of crazy and kind of weird because I'm kind of spontaneous and wild, you know, in my sexual life, but I've never had sex on the beach. And I feel as if I was supposed to do something like that, I definitely want to do it somewhere exotic like Bora Bora or Dubai. So I say one of my greatest unfulfilled sexual fantasies would definitely be having sex on an exotic island like Bora Bora with one nice, clean, strong body black man, you know, because all up into all these things. So when the candle them light and the breezes and blue power skin, everything just romantic and cute, you know what I mean? Baby can bond it Sunday if I'm supposed to get another one. Yeah. Bora Bora. Say me to Bora Bora. Anyways, so someone asked, what's my favorite makeup brand line? Honestly, I use different makeups from different makeup brand lines. I don't have any specific brand that I enjoy, but what I will say is that my favorite foundation at the moment is from Revlon, which is Revlon Color Stay 24-hour makeup. I don't know, I just really love that makeup. I swear by it. If you're an OG subscriber and you used to watch like my makeup videos, y'all know I'm always talking about my Revlon Color 24/7. And it's not that it's the only foundation that I use, because I use NARS, I also use MAC, I also use NYX, NYX, if you want to call it that as well. But I feel like I just love Revlon foundation, and I just mix the other brands. I use a little Morphe, I use a little Juvia's Palace, I use a little NARS, I use a little MAC, I use a little of anything that I see that I like, even if it's drugstore. I'm not particularly like stuck on any one brand of makeup, and I'm kind of like a makeup girl too, so I kind of like to try new products and try new brands. So yeah, I try all different types of makeup. I'm not really particular to any one brand. Someone asked me, why do I vlog? That's an interesting question. Why do I vlog? To be honest, my response is probably not going to be something that you're expecting. I honestly vlog because it's something that I enjoy doing. First of all, I am an introvert. For those of you who don't know, it might not seem that way, but honestly, I am a homebody. One of the reasons why I may go out so much is because I know I have to go on the road to like get my business done and stuff like that. But if it was up to me, I stay home all the time because I'm like a very chill person. I like to chill. I like to drink my wine, you know what I mean? I am somebody that knows how to entertain myself as well, and a part of how I entertain myself is by doing YouTube videos and then editing them, finding the time to just like editing them down and then uploading them. For me, it's not so much about the views, and that's why I continue to do my vlogs or my YouTube videos even after all these years, you know what I mean? Because it's just something that is fulfilling to me. It's something that I do for my own entertainment, believe it or not. I really do YouTube videos for my own entertainment, and that's why I can come over here and be myself, and myself is really weird and crazy, and I don't really give a flying ass like who's judging me or who think I'm corny or who likes my videos or who don't like my videos, because at the end of the day I'm not doing it for anybody. I'm really and truly just doing it for the entertainment of myself. But I do appreciate the persons that come on here every time I post a video and watch and comment and support and share with your friends. You guys are the ones that motivate me to continue, even on days when I feel like I don't want to do this anymore. You know, I just get up and I make videos because I know there are persons that enjoy watching my videos. It might not be many, but like I do it for the persons that I know enjoy when I post a video, enjoy watching my content. You know, one day it will get bigger and a lot more people will enjoy it too. I'm that hopeful. So I continue to do it for my entertainment and of course to entertain me, you know, basically, and because I like it and I kind of enjoy editing as well. That's also another reason why I vlog. All right. Um, Somebody asked me, where do I see myself in music in the next 5 years? Oh, you know, to be honest, I don't like to think that far. You know, I don't like to think about. I would hope, though. Let's respond to this question by saying, I would hope in 5 years I would have already been an established name. Um, Household, you know, dancehall reggae artist, because that's something that I want to represent. I want to represent my culture always, doing dancehall or doing reggae or doing trap hall or whatever I'm doing, because music is music, you know what I mean? But all across the world, I would just want to be representing my country. A nice island girl that's making great music that people across the globe are singing and enjoying. I would hope in 5 years I would have changed a lot of lives, because something that a lot of you guys don't know is one of the reasons that I also want to have like a huge platform like YouTube or even with my music is because I really want to help children and single mothers. That's something that means a lot to me, as somebody that was a single mother myself and knowing the struggles of what it is like raising a child or children on your own. You know, I really and truly would like to be put in a position where I am able to help other persons in that position that's finding it very hard. You know, I want to make a change or a difference in someone's life, and I really want to work with kids. I really want to mentor kids, you know, between the ages of 5 to 15. I'd say 15 or 14, because I believe that I'm somebody that's really good with kids. I mean, children always love me, especially little girls. And if I am able to like mentor some of them or speak life and hope into these little girls, you know, and help them to understand themselves on a certain level, help them to value themselves, help them to believe in themselves, help them to know that they are beautiful, they are strong, you know, and they can do whatever they put their minds and hearts to. That is something that I really and truly want to do. And to be honest, in my regular life now, I do it because I have nieces, I have younger small cousins that are girls and guys, and I do try to encourage them and motivate them every single time, you know, that I can. And I would like to be blessed with a wonderful opportunity to be able to help others. Like at night when I go to my bed, I literally pray to God to bless me so that I'm able to bless others. And mostly when I think about helping people, to be honest, I mostly think about helping children, because children are the future, and I have a real soft spot towards children and kids. Someone asked me what is my biggest pet peeve. Now I know I did a video before and I mentioned one of my biggest pet peeves were liars, and I'm gonna mention it again in this video. One of my biggest pet peeves are people that lie for no reason. People that lie when you don't even ask them anything at all and just decide to get up and tell lie, because I don't know if it's a part of them or their personality. I truly don't know what they get from it, but yeah, that's one of my pet peeves. And honestly, something else that has recently been bothering me a lot are little kids on the street selling candies or chocolates or fruits or bananas or $50 bag of wipes. Like, I don't like it. I don't like to see it. Because some of these kids look no older than 5 years old, 6 years old, 7 years old. None of them that I've seen have looked like a 13 or 14-year-old. A lot of the times when I go to halfway tree, especially, I've seen children that are 5 and 6 years old, 7 years old on the street selling bags of wipes and chocolates. It hurts my heart. And you know, sometimes I wonder, who are the parents of these children? What are they doing? How do they sleep in their beds, you know, knowing that their kids are out on the street? In the streets for me as an adult is like a jungle when I go outside. And for me, I have to be thinking of the many ways that I can protect myself when I'm outside. So I don't know how women have little girls, you know, or even little boys, and send them on the road and tell them to sell stuff. I don't know, like, I don't know, why are you robbing these children of their futures? Like, if you're not able to take care of these children, why don't you go and put them in a home? Or why don't you ask a family member that's in a better position and that's willing to take care of them to take care of them? Why are you slaving the children? Why are you sending them in the streets to sell chocolates and wipes? Why are you doing that? Why aren't the children in school? Why aren't you going out of your way to ensure that this child or these children that you brought into this world, why aren't you going out of your way to protect them? Why are you doing that to them? I don't like it. It really, really hurts my heart. And if you're one of those parents that's watching this video right now, I send the people them go up on the road for to sell wipes and bag juice and chocolate, stop it. I don't care how lame you are. Stop robbing these kids of their childhood. They don't deserve that. They don't. And that's another one of my pet peeves. I know this question was going to come, and I got several of these questions. Several of the same questions. Somebody asked, are you single? Well, a few persons asked if I am single. Am I single? I'm not married. There's no ring on my hands. So therefore, I'm single. I'm single as a dollar bill. I am single. Nobody can claim me because I can't be claimed. I got a ring over here. Okay? So I am single. Am I dating? I got a few people that I like. There's some people out there that I like. There's some people out there that I'm eyeing. There's some people that I'm giving my time or the benefit of the doubt. But am I in like a committed relationship with anybody? No. As a matter of fact, doing music, it's kind of hard to be in a committed relationship with anybody, because when you are doing music as a female, you're constantly around other males, whether it be male producers or other male artists, or just being out late at the studios and stuff like that, it's kind of hard to like find somebody that understands the life of a musician. So it is kind of hard to put myself in like a position right now, especially when I'm really focused on my music, to date somebody. I mean, I'm not gonna say I don't like people though. I'm not gonna say I'm not feeling nobody. I'm not gonna say like I'm not giving nobody my attention. I'm not gonna say I'm not flirting. I'm not gonna say that, but committed relationships, that is not this. No, not right now. Yeah. Someone asked again, when can we expect another single from Alicia Amor? A new single or a few new singles will be dropping soon. Just make sure you guys stay tuned to my Vivo channel, Alicia Amor Vivo. Go subscribe now if you have not subscribed. I'm going to leave the link to the channel in the description box below, so when you guys finish watching this video, you guys can just definitely check out my description, click onto that channel and hit the subscribe button, because I got new singles and I got new videos coming out for the Amor family. Okay, alright, so here's another spicy question. Someone asked, what's the nicest thing that I've ever done for a guy? I think I answered that in a previous video, where my response was, really and truly, I turned that boy into a man. And I mean, what I mean, think about it. Turn that nigga into a man. You know, that I made him a whole new man, that by the time he had done a relationship with me, he had gone and get himself another wife, because he had learned how to treat a woman right. You know, unfortunately for me, or fortunately, I don't know, you know what I'm saying. I wasn't the one that he wifed, but at least I know that I contributed to him being a better man and wifing somebody. Okay, yeah, period, cool. That's on that, baby. Anyways, I feel like I've answered enough questions for this video. So if you guys have any other questions that you'd like to ask me, definitely go ahead and leave it in the comment section below, or go ahead and DM me on my Instagram. Follow me on my Instagram as well if you have not yet done so. The link to all my social medias are in the description box below. Make sure that you subscribe if you have not yet done so. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you have suggestions of any other videos that you might want to see me do on this channel, don't be afraid to leave your comments and let me know, because I'm more than willing to give you guys what you want. You know, I love you guys, especially my subscribers that have been rocking with me for a very long time. Big up yourself, Max. Big up yourself, Stacy. You know, I remember sometimes, I remember these subscribers' names because they're always commenting on my videos. Big up yourself, Lavish Sanya TV. As a matter of fact, guys, go follow Lavish Sanya on her channel. She just recently started her new YouTube channel. Girl, good luck on the journey. You know, it's not easy, but just try yourself to be consistent and don't give up, because you feel like you want to give up. Okay, boo? Yeah, congratulations on that. I'll see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my Vivo channel, Alicia Amor, and check out my other videos on the channel as well. Hit the like button, share the video then with a friend and a family, and even on a foes, because your girl is looking forward to growing her channel for the rest of 2020. Okay, thank you guys for tuning in. It's your girl Alicia Amor. You're tuned into Amor's world. I've signed in and now I'm signing out. See you guys in my next video. Love you, my amors. Now, like, my inner scratch me. The place at